Green cleaning services will reduce electrical usage and carbon emissions, conserve water during the drought, and can save your business a lot of money. According to the U.S. Green Building Council, LEED Gold certified buildings consume 25% less energy and 11% less water, have 19% lower maintenance costs, have a 27% higher occupant satisfaction rating, and emit 34% fewer greenhouse gases than similar non-certified buildings. A green cleaning program implemented by the University of Georgia reduced cleaning chemical purchasing expenses by $110,000 per year, resulting in an estimated $850,000 in total savings between 2008 and 2009. Discover the Vanguard Cleaning Systems difference. Give us a call today in Bakersfield, 661-395-3009, in Fresno, 559-473-1790.